Welcome to Sometimes 6, Unit 3. There are 15 problems in this unit. We're going to mix them up. Let's start with problem number 11. Problem 11. Happy Families. Mr. and Mrs. Anthony have invited the family to dinner. They have 3 sons. Each of their sons has 2 sisters. Each sister has 3 cousins, and each cousin has a great-grandparent. How many people are there at the dinner table? Well, this is pretty easy, but I'll help you all the same. Mr. and Mrs. Anthony have invited the family to dinner. So how many people is that? 2. They have 3 sons. So what do we add? 3. So we have 2 plus 3. Each of their sons has 2 sisters. Well, of course, the sons have the same sisters. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 2. And the sisters have the same 3 cousins. So we add 3. You see how it works? Finish the problem off yourself. Problem 8. A spending spree. Grandmother Smith went shopping with $60 in her pocket. She spent a quarter of her money on groceries, $30 on CDs, and 10% of her original money buying presents for her grandchildren. How much money did she have left? Let's do it together. She spent 10% of her original money buying presents. Well, 10% of 60 is how much? That's right, $6. She spent a quarter of her money on groceries. What's a quarter of 60? Well, a half is 30, so a quarter is 15. So she spent $15 on groceries and $6 on her grandchildren. How much is that? $21. And we know she spent $30 on CDs. So how much money did she have left? Work it out for yourselves. Problem 12. Winners and losers. Rob and Bob played dominoes against each other several times. They bet 1 pebble on the outcome every time. When they stopped playing, Rob had 7 pebbles more than when they started, and Bob had won 7 games. There were no ties. How many times did they play? Well, this looks pretty difficult, but it's not. If Bob won 7 games, Rob must have lost 7 games. Get it? Now, if Rob had 7 more pebbles than when he started, he must have won 7 more games than he lost. Get it? So how many times did they play? I'll tell you the answer. It's 21. Can you work it out?